Hey there, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV showing off a big truck at Wheaton Honda. You're sure to get noticed driving around in this thing. It's a 2017 Ford Super Duty F-350 Platinum with custom gold wheels, a lift kit, and tinted windows. It also comes with mud flaps, a tonneau cover, and power folding assist steps to help you get up into it. The 6.7-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel engine creates 440 horsepower and 925 pound-feet of torque. It's paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission with a tow-haul mode. And of course, this rig has 4-wheel drive. Enjoy a leather interior with heated and cooled front seats, heated rear seats, a heated steering wheel, a panoramic sunroof, and dual-zone climate control. It's equipped with a surround view camera with sensors, navigation, Bluetooth, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot information with cross-traffic alert. You also get keyless entry, a factory-installed remote starter, and push-button start, along with power folding and extending side mirrors that are also heated. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter. You can also just head down to Wheaton Honda and take it for a ride.